Hello and welcome everyone in another interesting video. So today we are talking about the word scrumptious. So scrumptious functions primarily as an adjective used to describe noun, typically food, if it is too delicious and tasty. Now the pronunciation is given below. And now if we talk about the positive form, we can say it describes something as delicious. For example, the chocolate cake is scrumptious. So that what it means. Now we will move into that more so example. So we can say like in a descriptive uses, we can say the chef prepared a scrumptious meal. And for attributive position, we can say we enjoyed a scrumptious appetizer at the restaurant. So like this. And we have another like predictive position. The dinner was scrumptious. So there are different uses that I mentioned here for your better understanding. I hope you got till now here. Now move into the another thing more about it. So we have some related terms like noun, scrumptiousness refers to the equality of being scrumptious. The scrumptiousness of the dish was unmatched. And for adverb, like describe how something is done in an scrumptious manner. For example, she savored the meal scrumptiously. Now, another examples for like as a number, as an adjective, scrumptious does not change the form of singular or plural nouns like the scrumptious cookies or the scrumptious cookie. I hope you got this more about the word scrumptious. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share and subscribe if you like. Thank you.